Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Ravi and welcome back to another Adobe After Effects tutorial. So in this video we'll be learning to make this stroke text animation in a very simple way. We also have Mr. Zebo who will be just hanging around in this tutorial. So without any delay,
let's get started.
Alright, so to start off, I'll first create a new composition. I'll hit on this. I'll just name this to stroke and 1080p resolution is fine, 1920 by 1080, and I'll set the duration to around 10 seconds and hit OK. So now let me click on this T button here so that I'll enable the type tool and I'll type some random text here. I'll type in stroke and I'll select this, and in the character tab that we have on the right, I'll set the outline to 0 and I'll set the color to something purple color and hit OK. And let me also just center this. Alright, so now I'll go to the effect here, or I'll go to the effects and presets panel and type in Vegas. So you have this effect called Vegas in the generate folder of the effects, or you can go to the effect tab here. And from the generate you can choose the effect called Vegas. Once you do that, you can see that the Vegas effect is added, and I'll expand this image contours and I'll change the input layer to the stroke layer that we have here. This is our text layer. And now I'll change the segments from 32 to 2. Okay. And now I'll hold Alt on my keyboard and then hit on this timer button for rotation. Once you do that, in the bottom you can see that we have a expression editor opened up, and I'll type in time into 100. Okay. Once you type this and click outside, you can see that the time expression is added to the rotation parameter. And now I'll change the rendering blend mode from over to stencil. Once you do that, you can see that we have this sort of stroke effect applied, but it looks a bit thin. So I'll change the width from 2 to around 15. Alright. And I'll also increase the hardness a bit. So if I start playing the video, you can see that this is how the stroke animation is applied to our text layer. So if you want to change the color of the stroke, you can go to the character here and select your text layer, and you can change the stroke color like this, and there you go. I hope you found this video helpful, and if that's the case, give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to talk with me regarding visual effects and video editing, you can always reach out to me on Instagram. Mr. Zebo, would you like to add something?
Subscribe for more tutorials.
Alright, so see you guys next time with another tutorial.